What's going on, sales hustlers, junkies? This is your boy Corey London, MSIGuy.com, and today I just want to do a quick little video, um, some customer service jobs and some other related jobs that you can work from home. So I just wanted to check it out. I've been checking them out myself, so I wanted to talk to you guys and let's go over some and see if some of these might be something interested in you that you're interested in. This first one is a customer service sales job. As you can see, it says work. That means work from home. Look at it, like the company's name is Anvaris Staffing Incorporated. They're based out of Chicago, Illinois. Look like they pay us between $9 and $10 an hour, and you're basically a contractor. You can kind of see what to expect in this job. You're just assisting callers with billing inquiries and determining business offerings. Look like you always strive to ensure first call resolutions, code the sale accurately and completely for the installer. So it looked like there's some type of installation type business. Knowledge of media company processes and policy. I guess you'll learn that when you're there. Build trust and rapport with the customers. You should be. I'm 100% sure that you're already good at that. Understand client call flow. Always strive to ensure first call resolution. Correctly code the sale accurately and completely for the installer. Look like they repeating a little bit of what they said, but that's Advaris. I hope I'm saying that right. Staffing out of Chicago. See what else is next. We got another one here. They don't have any information, so we're not gonna even worry about that. We're gonna look for this appointment setter. Look like they're based out of Houston, Texas. It's called San Antonio Creative Investors, and their pay is wow, $20 an hour, and this is for part-time work. And look like you're an appointment setter. They want you to be hardworking, dedicated, and work from home and work anywhere. Hey, let's look at this. Note, you do not need to live in San Antonio, Texas to apply. You can live anywhere in the U.S., although their market is in San Antonio. Now that's great. $20 an hour part-time from home. Man, you can't beat that. Check that out. I'm gonna do some research and put the links in the video so I can take you straight to those pages where you can apply for that. So make sure you click on that link. But this is kind of give you an idea, tell you what they're looking for. Look like you're telling the whole story about it, but they'll pay you 24 hours. 24 hours. They'll pay you $20 an hour. So let's go through here and see what they say. Dear friend, if you would like to make good money right away, this will be the most important message you will ever read. I don't want to make this video long, so I'm going to type this up and put this in the descriptions on my blog, so you can click the link and follow that, so you can find that. Experience, previous appointment setting, outbound lead generation, experience a must. Ooh. So, all right, that means some people that actually have the experience of setting appointments look like they're the only ones that can apply. And I'm sure a lot of people have worked in jobs where they actually made appointments, whether that's a sales job or you were a customer service rep for someone else and you set appointments. That's appointment setting, right? So you might want to check that one out. I'll leave the information below. Let's see. We'll go after another one real quick. Another $20 an hour part-time. Awesome. All right. Look like it's almost like the same thing, So maybe this is the same one. I'm not 100%. I'm gonna do some research on this, and I'm gonna get this back to you. But it look like they'll pay you $20 an hour. Let's scroll down a little bit, see some more. As you can see, look at this one. Wow. Let's see what this one's about. Appointment setters. They saying that they can pay you between $65,000 and $125,000. Shucks, I might apply for this one my daggone self. As an advisor, you'll work directly with America's self-employed small business owners and individuals to help them access an array of innovative and affordable benefit solutions. As demand for our product continue to increase, you will advise clients on a portfolio of benefits designed for their unique situation. You will also provide trusted guidance to help them find the solutions that best fits their individual needs. Wow. All right, that don't sound like that. That's too hard to do. First income level potential. 100,000 plus. Managers potential, $250,000. It's residual income. You get stock ownership in the program. Free company generated leads. So there's no cold calling. These are people who showed and expressed interest already in this company's product. So how better can you get that? I'm definitely looking into that. So hey, like I said, I put all the information in the description. So check it out. So I'm not going to do it. We can go all day long. I am going to look through these. I'm going to put some information on my blog. So make sure you go check it out, msiguide.com. I don't want to make this too long, but I hope you guys enjoy it. And I'll talk to you on the next time.